All right, so welcome back to the garage again. We gotta do this the right way. Guys, I wanna introduce the 2004 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior.
Magnificent.
And yes, sir, I am back. I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the Ohio swap meet. Man, it was a blast. Shout out to everybody who came out. Man, if you didn't get a chance to come out, man, definitely drop a like on the video, man. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But oh my God, it is time to step in the garage, my favorite place to be. Man, you see, we got a new addition back. Welcome back to the garage. You guys see the Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. Oh my God. You can check out the bikes in the garage. You see the Glide looking so amazing. Look at these guys back to back. Let me know what you think, fellas. Would you go with the Glide or would you go with the Warrior? Let me know in the comments below. So we are deep in the garage right now. I am so fired up, fellas. We got to get a quick start and hear these bikes side by side. So let's go ahead and jump off the Glidey real quick. Yes, sir, you hear that right there? The rumble in the jungle. Now, fellas, I want to show you what we've been working on with the Roadstar Warrior. Now, you hear that over there. That sounds all good and dandy, but let's go ahead and crank the Warrior up and see what we got. I know you fellas are hearing that. Woo! You can hear that mean sound right there. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But the Yamaha Roadstar Warrior is a freaking monster.
I need some peace of my mind, and I don't give a damn how I get it at all. Maybe a pill, maybe a drink or a noose or a blade or a crippling fall.
All right, and just like that, I had to come upstairs. I hope you are enjoying the motorcycle content, but I gotta stay disciplined. Had to come and get my meal in. Got a quick tip for you guys out there. Hey, to eat healthy, guys, I eat every 2.5 to 3 hours. I eat a small meal. That's gonna keep that metabolism going. You're gonna keep burning fat and building muscle, importantly. So let me give you my meal real quick, and let me just show you. I've got the baked chicken right here, as you see, and then I've got the brown rice over there with the steamed veggies, and I just used a steam bag of veggie medley, and that is perfect, works absolutely perfect. And I've got a little bit of light barbecue sauce in there to give that chicken some flavor. Guys, this is a great meal that will keep you burning all through the day. Let's get back to the motorcycle content. Yes, sir, fellas, we are gonna turn the channel up. Man, I was in the garage, the Roadstar Warrior, she came to me and she said I'm not paying her enough attention. So guys, we gotta redo this all over again. All right, so welcome back to the garage again. We gotta do this the right way. Guys, I wanna introduce the 2004 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. If you missed the Ohio swap meet yesterday, she absolutely shut the place down. People could not believe the look. We got so many comments, and to all the people out there who came up to us, man, we thank you so much. Appreciate that. We put a lot of hard work into this bike. But fellas, we gotta start this baby up on her own. You guys, you gotta hear what she is sounding like. So let's go ahead and get a start. Quick start, real quick. Hold on a second. There she go. Oh my God. If you fellas out there in TV land can't hear the rumble in the jungle, now that is the true rumble in the jungle. Check it out one more time. And I'm gonna get close up on those short pipes right there. Woo! Damn it, guys. Oh my God. Let me know what you think right there. But this is the 2004 customized Midnight Edition Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. Fellas, you can check out the torque in the front. Special shout out to the Torque Motorcycle Company right there. Guys, we need to get together. I love you guys' brand. As you see, it is all over the Warrior. We need to get together. But everybody out there, let me know what you think of my girl right here, the 2004 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. Oh my God, she is so mean. One more time, fellas. Ooh, off the chain. Let's jump back in the garage, fellas. I gotta do a modification. I am gonna change out those mirrors on the Warrior. I'm gonna go with these sleek modern ones. We're gonna see how they look. But first, guys, you can see I am like a surgeon operating, man. You see, I've got all my tools all here ready to go. So let me get this thing in and let's see how it looks. And there you have it. Let's check out those mirrors that I just installed. Let me jump on the bike real quick. Jump them up. Guys, I think that looks really good. I think it added a nice modern touch to the bike. Loving the way they're actually pretty nice and small. I actually like them smaller like this. Let me know what you think, but you can look at the dash up front of the bike, and I'm really liking the way it set the bike off. I know I had those others with the carbon fiber on there, but I just wasn't feeling those. I think this fits the bike a little bit more than the other ones. Let me know what you think. All right, but we are inside the garage getting it done.
I need some peace of my mind, and I don't give a damn how I get it at all. Maybe a pill, maybe a drink or a noose or a blade or a crippling fall. Taking it all, losing the grip on myself.
I have it. I had to bring her outside so you guys could check out the Roadstar Warrior. Man, it is looking mean in that sunlight with that black. I'm gonna switch around on the other side and let you guys check that out. Man, you can see we just installed the new side mirrors right there, guys. I think they look really sleek with that modern design on there with the small rectangle on there. I'm loving that. You can check that out. Man, let's get behind the dash. You guys can check out some of the mods that you probably didn't even see. Guys, I'm gonna pan up on that gas tank and you guys can see that Hellcat right there emblem. Guys, I think that's a cool little thing to do because this bike is a monster. I am gonna name her in just a second, guys, but I just wanted to let you check her out real quick and see what we got going on here. Let me know what you think. Man, I think I am gonna name her Mean Machine. This is gonna be the Mean Machine right here. Let me know what you think of that name, but I think it's gonna fit perfectly. I am still in the garage, and you guys, I'm gonna zoom up on her from the back. The Mean Machine is looking so monstrous in the back. You guys can check out that 250 rear wheel kit right there. And let me swing on the other side. Guys can see we modified the swing arm. Loving that torque on there, by the way. And a nice little touch with the Yamaha Roadstar Warrior sign on the caliper right there. I am really loving this build right here, but you guys can get a super up close and personal view of that. Man, I am loving the custom short pipes right there. Guys, we're gonna start her up again. She's outside. We hit her in the garage, but we've gotta do it better. We gotta start her up outside and give her some love. All right, yes, sir, man. I want to show you guys why I named her the Mean Machine right here. Guys, if you saw the movie The Longest Yard or The Water Boy, that is where I got the name from. It was the football team with all the inmates right there. Guys, that was gritty, and this bike is just as gritty as that. That's why I gave her the name Mean Machine. Without further delay, though, let's go ahead and start her up. I know you guys heard her inside, but it's a totally different feel outside. Let's get money. Woo, here we go right here. I'm gonna swing on the other side, guys, and you can check it out again, man. Again and again and again. You can never get tired of the Roadstar Warrior. Guys, see, I put a nice little detail work on the caliper right there with the Yamaha Roadstar Warrior decal. I'm gonna zoom up on those pipes. You can see those pipes starting to sweat a little bit. Man, if you can't feel the power from this bike right now, fellas, I don't know what to tell you. We're gonna get it on the highway. It's a cold day outside today, but I am gonna get this boy out on the highway the next good day. We are gonna open it up, and I'm gonna show you guys why we call this the Mean Machine. Fellas, it is time to put a wrap on today's video. You see my girl, the Mean Machine, behind me, man. It is freezing outside, but it is always hot in the garage. Man, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. Let's show YouTube that my channel is here to stay, baby. I am gonna leave you guys with that last sound of the Warrior right there before we get out of here. But until next time, keep those 2 wheels down. Peace.